Hi everybody, in this video we are going to make a beautiful bamboo shoot on this food plate using food color. Look, first spread this green color and then we are putting small dots of red food color, and look at the beautiful flowers, how pretty these are looking. You can also make small leaves like this, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's decorate this plate using food color. We are making a beautiful flower, so spread this red food color using fingers and make 2 flowers, and look ready. We are going to spread then green color like this. We are making the leaves of the flowers. We are using an earbud here and spread the dots like this and make the leaves, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's decorate this plate using food color. Put random dots on the plate and spread the color, and look at the transparent color, how pretty it is looking. We are making now the outlines of the petals using red food color, and look at the beautiful flower structure. Add more details like this. Now we are making its leaves using green food color. Spread it like this using fingers, and look, your artwork is ready. Let's make a beautiful swan using food color. Look how we are going to make the feathers, and look, it is ready. Add more details like this, and look, it is looking very easy and modern, and it is almost ready now. Add more details and look how beautiful this is looking. Let's decorate this plate using food color. We are going to spread the red color and we are making beautiful love birds here. Add more details like we are making green leaves using green food color like this, and look, we are also drawing some flowers and spread it using fingers, and look, it is ready. Add more details like this, and look how beautiful these love birds are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.